In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora. Okay, I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in each video, guys, I will share with you new affiliate link that you can promote on Quora that made me a lot of commission. I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting. So you just need to copy and paste my method so you can start making some commission like this. Okay, it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting commission, and in this month I have right here in my balance $5,125 in commission available, and I will get more by the end of this month, and so I can withdraw this money. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate marketing and start making money like this, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So what you will do, click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few question, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go to Google again. Okay, and you need to search for this website, search for Quora. Okay, because we will use this website to promote our affiliate links for free. Search for Quora, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so what you need to do next, so now I'm gonna share with you guys how do I find a profitable affiliate services that got me commission. Okay, this is my method. Okay, so you just need to copy and paste. I go to Quora, so I just come, I open my account like this, I click on the search and they search for specific keywords. Okay, because Quora, people are using Quora to ask questions and find answers. Okay, they will ask questions and they are searching for specific services, products, and that's why they are using Quora. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on the search, I will search for example YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I will check so this keyword just for example as an to show you how we can find profitable services. Okay, search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of people here are searching for, so for example this one, how do I make YouTube thumbnails? Okay, how do I find the best YouTube thumbnails? Okay, so for example those people are searching for YouTube thumbnails. Okay, what I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, I will click on the search, I will search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, like this. Those people who are asking question how to get YouTube thumbnail, how to make YouTube thumbnails, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commissions. Okay, so for example I will choose This one looks really good. This one is top rated seller. This one also level 2 seller, is good seller. He has a lot of reviews. So for example, I will choose this one. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, okay, and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora. Go to your website like this. So those people who are searching for how do I make YouTube thumbnails, I will click over here on answer. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this profile page on Fiverr. Okay, and scroll down. Go to this about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part. Okay, I will copy this part like this. I will go to Quora. I will put this part here, this description like this. Okay, like this. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Quora. I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Okay, so I will click on post, and my affiliate link will be sent to this person who is searching for how do I make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, your affiliate link will be sent. Let me delete this. Your affiliate link will be sent like this. Okay, so if this person who is asking how do I make YouTube thumbnail, he will check if he is still interested about how he can make YouTube thumbnail. He will check your comments, your answer. Okay, if he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Click on continue, buy this service just for $10, and you will earn commission. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Quora. That's how we can choose specific services to promote on Quora. That's how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate links. This is my method that I'm using. I'm not promoting just one affiliate link. Of course, I promote a lot of affiliate links, so much affiliate links. I will share a lot of affiliate links in this channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Check my other videos. I show you also how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, Facebook, and so much more. Make sure to check other videos if you want to start affiliate marketing business for free using free traffic without investing any money. And that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Like this video. If this video gets 1000 likes, I will share some advanced and new methods that I'm using to get commission. So if this video gets a lot of likes, guys, I will keep sharing a lot of methods and new methods that people are using to make really a lot of money from affiliate links. Okay, and see you in my next video.